Bats at the Library by Brian Lies. The book is about how a window at a library was left open, and how excited the bats were to be spending the night there with all that there was to do. They would spend their time playing tag, or making copies of themselves with a copy machine, taking baths in the water fountain, or reading. And some bats would read individually, others would read in pairs. Some would read upside down, and others would read right side up. When they would read, the bats became active characters and played a big role in each story that they read. And the theme is just that. Reading is an adventure, and one can become anything that they want to be just by reading a book. The illustrations in Bats at the Library show great visuals to support that. And I recommend this book for children because of the theme, that reading is an adventure, and because of the couplets of rhyming phrases and how entertaining they are, which motivate the readers to want to know what happens next. I relate to this book because I too get lost, and I see myself as the narrator, and it gives me a sense of adventure, and it makes me really enjoy reading books. And as a strategy or activity, I would have the children write down on a note card a genre of book or a specific topic that they would like to know more about. And I would have the students use their resources at the library and for them to find a book that would relate to that topic that they had written on that note card. And it would be an adventure at the library, such as the adventure in the book that they would be reading.